Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about deep web, dark web and web surface. We are accessing multiple websites every day, okay, and we are also accessing the part of information through the credential where we need username, password or some other kind of credentials to access that particular information. And these informations are not available to everyone. Yeah, so there are different level of informations available on the internet, and these are categorized like deep web, dark web or the surface web. And today I will just discuss about all these. When we are accessing internet, clear, and whatever the information that is indexed means on your web browser, when you are for example, you are using a web browser, and in a web browser you are typed something. Say you typed, say, deep web, deep web. I want to know about deep web, and you press enter. That search engine, same, for example, you are using Google, okay, or you are using Bing or DuckDuckGo, whatsoever you are using, doesn't matter. When you entered something on your web browser and press enter, the search engine will find out the information that's related to about your query, okay. When how these are getting this one, because that information is on the upper layer of the internet and that indexed already, and as per the records which are on the index, they are offering to us, clear, and we will get number of links, okay, and on the specific link when we will click, we just land on that particular location. So for example, on the deep web you find a link, and for example that was on LinkedIn, okay. So you just go on that website and you will read that information, yeah. And another things, for example, you want to have access on your email address, okay, or you want to access on a server, so that you need username and password, some credential you required. When we need some credential, okay, that is we are dealing with the deep web, okay, and where the websites we are accessing, say like emails we are accessing, Facebook, and any websites where we need to use our username and the passwords or the other credential, that means we are dealing with it. So this is just only the less than 10% part, which is the on the surface, that is surface web, which is indexed or which just come on the web browser when we are searching anything. And when the information we are accessing with the credential, we need to access it, that is the deep web. See here, okay, it is more than 90%, clear. And another part is the dark web. This dark web is used for like we can say some kind of special information are available on internet, okay, that can be established by the government or some specific organizations, even the people or the cyber criminals, they are using to publish their information what I have they stolen, or some kind of we can say web server established over there, they are storing this very sensitive information which they don't want anywhere to index, okay, and directly they will give the link of that address, and to access that dark web or the dark net, we need special browser, that's the Tor, and Tor stand for the onion router, or special network is there this encrypted traffic will pass through from one hop to the next hop. Okay, and this is just accessible with the specific web browser that's Tor. And then it is very small portion of the internet, and but it is having very sensitive information, very secret information, okay, which you can have access with the help of the Tor web browser. So this is which is indexed, that is surface web, which we are accessing through the credential. This is the deep web, and to access the dark web or the dark net we need special web browser, because these are the hidden information, these are the specialized information which you need to access some special kind. Okay, so that was about deep web, dark web and surface. Follow me on the Cybersecurity Prism so that you will get the notification for the next very interesting and informative session, and also share that information with your friends and on the groups where you are members, so that the other members will also be able to understand about these concepts. That's what I have discussed with you. And in the next session I will discuss about, if you are facing some difficulties to remember the multiple IDs, we are accessing multiple websites and we need credential to access. If you are finding any difficulties, so what will be the solution for all this? In the next session I will discuss these things. Namaste, see you in the next session.